Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. In Odoo not available paid driven display in purchase order if that same purchase order build is paid. But using this our Dev purchase paid ribbon you can easily show in purchase order. So let's see about that. You can see here our module Dev purchase paid ribbon. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to purchase, create new, select vendor like Odoo edit, add any one product like pedal B, let's save, click on this confirm order, receive product, validate. Now create bill, confirm, and paid. Now this order's day is paid. Again go to the same purchase order. So you can easily see here this form is purchase order and display here form you in paid ribbon. Thank you.